Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're playing some new makeup and I'm excited. I haven't played in makeup like all summer. I don't know what is going on, guys. Like, it was hot, now it's getting cool, fall is coming. I'm happy. My Aunt Jackie came out with gifts and I had this for a minute, y'all, and I was like, you know what, Liz, play with this palette. So everybody did a review on this palette. Y'all seen this palette and it's floating around Instagram, all on social media. Now she did a collab with ABH. Y'all know how they shadows go. Like, ABH shadows is bomb, and Jackie Aina is just iconic. And I'm so glad they did a collab. The palette is beautiful. The colors in the palette, I have multiple palettes that have these colors in the palette. Some colors do stick out, like dollars, and like I don't see sponsored in a lot of palettes. And Zam and Soleil are pretty, and Little Asians, but this is a pretty palette. I'm so glad that I purchased this palette. I had no problems with these eyeshadows at all. It's just like a regular ABH palette. I had no problems with this. Congrats on the collab. I'm moving on. It's limited edition. Get the palette. I want to say it was about like $41, $42. So get this palette before it goes out of stock and it goes away. But I do think they will restock it if it go away eventually. Another thing that I used that was new is my Dose of Color foundation. It's in the shade 133 Dark. The foundation is like a summer shade for me. It pulls a little orangey. I had to mix it with my is everything's okay. So I had to mix it with my Fenty Beauty 400 foundation. This is really yellow and this is light for me. Like this, I can't even really wear this in the winter time by itself because it's so light and so yellow, and I need a darker shade. So I just mix this with other foundations and it usually works out. But this right here, maybe I used a little bit too much, but you can see like it pulls a little, it's darker, it's warm on me. So I wish I would have got like 131 or another shade, but it'll work during summertime. I had a tan earlier in the summer, but I feel like my tan is going away, and that's so like weird because we're in August. Like, that's, I don't understand. But next time I'll use less Dose of Color and more Fenty, and maybe it'll balance out. But for the most part, I feel like the foundation looks like my skin. It doesn't feel sticky or tacky. I don't feel oily. Like, the foundation looks pretty good, like semi-matte. I have no issues with it, so that was a good buy too. I think I paid about $36 for that on the Dose of Color website. The foundation range is large. It's 42 shades. The undertones are okay. You just gotta make it work for yourself. Another thing that I used today, I bought off the Anastasia website, was their setting powders. I didn't know they had setting powders. Like, I really don't go on Anastasia website at all. I normally go like on Sephora and stuff, but I got this deep peach loose setting powder. I love the packaging. It's like frosted black top, and I love how large it is and flat. I set my foundation and my eyeshadow with this today, and it worked out pretty good. I just wanted to try something different. I don't have like a peachy setting powder. It wasn't bad at all. I don't feel like it altered the eyeshadow in any way, shape, or form. I just wanted to get on here, guys, say hello, show y'all the look I came up with my Jackie Aina palette. My highlight is fire. Shout out to BoxyCharm. Y'all already know. I use the shade, what's the shade right here? Twilight. Yes, so I use Twilight right there. Pretty, 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 pretty shade. And this is the look I got, guys. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. By the way, like my video, subscribe to my video, leave a comment. I'm wearing my Aunt Jeanette lashes in 3D Glam. These lashes are so pretty. And guys, just continue to see the video. Hey babies, we're back with another one. So this is me playing with my Jackie Aina Time ABH palette. This is the look that I came up with, babies. And I missed y'all. Hey guys. Isn't this palette just so bomb here? The first shade that I went into was Supreme. I used Supreme as my first transition shade. And if you guys know ABH palettes, you know that all their shades are so pigmented and just so good. The quality of the palettes are good, and there's nothing different when it comes to this Jackie Aina palette. Came in 2 days. I ordered off of the ABH website, and the palette came in 2 days, which was bomb. The palette was $42, I want to say, and that's like their standard palette. Come with a mirror, comes with a brush, and I'm really happy with the purchase. So after I went in with Supreme and I used that, I went in with Pinker. And Pinker is more of a plummy pink shade. It's more deeper. It has depth. And I went in there just to add some dimension to the eye shape. I have hooded eyelids, so sometimes I really gotta like play with these shadows just so they can like come up, and I gotta form my own crease just because I don't have a lot of lid space. But you know, you make it work. So now I'm going in with a clean Q-tip, and I'm just getting up all that excess eyeshadow, and I'm going to just prep it for my cut crease. I go in just with a light concealer. I usually use Makeup Revolution. I just go in with something that's like 4 or 5 shades lighter than my complexion so my eyeshadows can really show up. And I go in and I cut my crease. Yes, guys. So what's been up? It's so much drama that I'm noticing, like pertaining to this palette, and people just hating on Auntie Jackie, and people just not wanting to review the palette that I thought would review the palette because like they're popular black influencers here on YouTube. And it's just so shocking when you find out people that's just not for you. Like, it's just, I feel so bad that she can't even like enjoy this time that she's having with her palette coming out and like getting engaged, and people just like, you know, hating. Like, it's just so sad how we just don't support each other. So now I'm going in with my Dose of Color, my new foundation, Meet Your Hue foundation in the shade 133, which is a dark neutral shade. And I should have went for something with more of a yellow tone, because you see I'm adding my Fenty Beauty 400 foundation just to bring some more yellow undertone to this foundation, because I'm not neutral. I'm olivey, I'm yellow undertone, and this shade just pulled a little bit too warm for me. But overall, I do like the foundation. And just for like a FYI, I'm oily skin, and the foundation did good for me. Even mixing my Fenty with the foundation really gave me like good coverage, and the color was just okay. This would be a summer shade for me, but I would have to mix another shade with it. I would never be able to get away with this in the wintertime. I should have actually, I think the shade I should have got was like 131. I think that's dark with like yellow undertone. I'm going in and I'm just going to conceal my under eye, my chin. I'm just going to blend that out with a brush. Guys, I've been liking just blending out my concealer with a brush. And then I go over it with my beauty sponge. I did order a sponge from Dose of Color website, but I don't know where it's at. We're going to go in, guys, and we're just going to bronze up a little bit using one of my favorite NYX brushes. And then we're just going to set our contour up with some Fenty Beauty. And we're going to go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark, and we're just going to set our under eye concealer. I'm liking the color that it gives me, or the coverage that that MAC Mineralized Skin Finish gives me when I set my concealer. I have a new brush, guys. So excited. We're going to go in and finish our eyes. And we're just going to go in with Pinker and Supreme and just buff out that lower lash line. And then we're just going to go with a brown lip liner and draw out these little lips. I should like really get lip injections. Like, I really want juicier lips, but we're gonna go in with our Urban Decay Naked lipstick. I love Urban Decay lipsticks, so moisturizing. I love them. I don't even use lipsticks as much as I used to, but I do love this lipstick. I remember just going like really just crazy over this lipstick. Guys, this is my finished look, guys. The lashes that I have on is from Antoinette Luxury Lashes. They're in 3D Glam. I like them. The quality of the lashes are very good, guys. This is my finished look. I'm low-key, I'm hype. I want to go get some crabs and some water ice, guys. See you on the next video.